Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download the VOISS application from the Apple App Store. To start, locate the App Store on your home screen. It kind of looks like three popsicle sticks in the shape of an A. Once you find that, take your finger and tap on the icon. This will open the App Store. From there, tap on the search bar in the top middle part of your screen. It's kind of grayed out and it says Games, App Stories, and more. When you tap on that, it'll open your keyboard. Once you have your keyboard open, type the word VOISS, but this voice is spelled V-O-I-S-S. Click on the blue search button in the bottom right corner. Now, it will not search for it because it thinks you've misspelled the word. So what you need to do in the top left is find the button that says Search for VOISS, V-O-I-S-S instead, and tap on that with your finger. This will open the VOISS application. From here, to get the download, tap the button that says Get just above the picture. This will open a pop-up. On my iPad, it asks for my fingerprint to install. On yours, it may ask for purchase, or it may ask another question, but remember, this is free, so you can press purchase and nothing will be charged to your account. This will always be free at this point. From here, I will put my fingerprint in, and then it will begin to download. You will press your purchase or whatever button you have in particular, and it'll start to download. Now, this will take a while as the file is big, but rest assured it will download all, and then you will have the application available to your iPad. Thank you so much.